This is the Sofia Stadium in the city center. And the Sofia Balkan Hotel. This is the Vitosha Boulevard. I don't know what it's about, but they look like farmers. This is a Rila hotel and it's in the city center and it's not expensive. But the bathrooms are very, very old. The rooms are now getting better, but yeah, if you want to be in the city center, it's a good choice. But the rooms are not 5-star. And this is the bedroom disco. It's directly next to the Rila hotel. This is here in the Serdika station. In Sofia. This is the Lion Hotel and I've stayed there once, and the room on the first floor with a big balcony is very good. So this is the Lion Bridge and this is the famous river of Sofia. At night it's not the best area, but it's still good because they have a Billa supermarket here and that's very important. It's very clean, like almost everywhere here in the center of Sofia. And it's a very nice city. And there's the market. I don't know the name, but there are plenty of shops. And about 10 minutes by foot from the train station where I'm going now, there's also the bus station. There's this traditional restaurant Hajidraganov, which I will visit now. And they have traditional Bulgarian food. The restaurant Hajidraganov is next to this nice building. The inside here is very, very nice. Hajidraganov Kashti, Bulgarian food and wine. This is the lunch. That was not really what I expected. I thought it was warm, but it's a cold platter, but it's very good. So as I said before, the food was a cold platter of ham and salami. And but it was okay because I don't have so much time anyway. Now it's 2:40 and at 3 o'clock I'm taking the bus to Veliko Tarnovo. And about 5 minutes from the train station, or maybe 3, is the Ramada Hotel. And they have a huge swimming pool, which I can only recommend. And there's the bus stop and the train station. So there's the Ramada Hotel. And just on the other side is the Central bus station. I booked a ticket for the 3 o'clock bus and it will take about 3 hours to Veliko Tarnovo. And the train station is there. From here I once went to Bucharest in Romania and it takes about almost 10 hours.